Come on.
Yeah, that's
What kind of scholarship are you going to get? So tell us what you're paying.
Nothing with this.
Tell us what you're paying. Squat down again, squat. What did you pay? How much pain in your back?
Maybe about an 8, 9.
What about your knees? What about your knees?
I feel it right here. Pressure, maybe about a 6, 7.
6. So, do you think this hurts your hopping ability?
It does. It truly does.
How about your running ability? Does this hurt your running ability?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, so it slows you down, right?
Yeah. So I'm here to get adjusted. I've been suffering from back problems for about a whole year, and it's just taking a toll on my career. I can't do nothing right now.
Okay, so tell us how fast you are. We want to know if you're any good at all.
Yeah,
What's your 40?
I run like a 4.5 right now.
Got 4.5. What's your fastest?
4.3. Yeah, working out just transitions to headaches, migraines, headache function.
So we had MRIs, guys. MRIs. No real herniated disc, but they thought he had a herniated disc. And he also has his skull x-ray here, and you see the pins in here where they opened him up to take a cyst out.
In these x-rays, we see an occipital tilt. And in the next one, we see a 12-degree curve with constipation. In this one, we see an inverted atlas with a high neck reversal. Pretty bad one, actually. Poor posture and a compressed L1 vertebra in this view.
Yeah, migraines, terrible pounding.
How long has that been going on?
For about a year now.
Gotcha. You had a cyst removed from your head too. What about that?
Yeah, I had a cyst. I had a brain hemorrhaging, so I was internally bleeding. Got that cured, fixed with the neurologist.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So took that out. Dizziness all the time.
Yeah.
With
dizziness.
Exercise.
Dizziness with exercise.
Yeah, and he's a basketball player.
Yeah.
It's not good. Do you make any baskets? Do you actually shoot a basket or you just run around people?
Run around people and shoot.
Do you actually make baskets? Because if you have this vertigo, how do you actually focus in?
Flick of the wrist, man.
Flick of the wrist? Yeah. Okay, so Ben, don't touch those, please. How much pain in your back?
A lot of pain.
How much?
I'd say about a 10.
About 10? Go and stand up. Like this too?
A lot of stiffness.
Stiffness? You said about a 7, 8 or something like that. Stiffness, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Look at the floor with your neck. And that was a what?
About a 4.
4. Look at the ceiling. What about that?
About a 5.
About a 5. Now this is the good one, guys. This is what makes me laugh the most. Basketball player. Squat, dude.
I can't go to.
Come on.
Yeah, that's
What kind of scholarship are you going to get? So tell us what you're paying.
Nothing with this.
Tell us what you're paying. Squat down again. Squat. What did you pay? How much pain in your back?
Maybe about an 8, 9.
What about your knees? What about your knees?
I feel it right here. Pressure, maybe about a 6, 7.
6. So, do you think this hurts your hopping ability?
It does. It truly does.
How about your running ability? Does this hurt your running ability?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, so it slows you down, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to tell us when you go from 4.5 to 4.3 again, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to mark that down because that'll be a good day. Because everybody will be like, what does chiropractic do? It makes you go from fast to really freaking fast, right? We're going to do that for you. Also, concentration issues, focus issues, memory issues. As this guy says, his body's going to get him places, not his mind. Okay, never been adjusted before?
Never.
Granted, he's a little nervous. You can feel it. Just relax best you can. You see my videos a million times. Okay. I'm just going to start off real simple. Good. What was that like, sir?
Wow.
Why is it a wow?
Wow, I'm just felt.
Look at his eyes. Look at how nervous he is. See those flickering?
Yeah.
That shows you how nervous he is. He's having a huge neurological input right now. His body is flipping out right now because that is just so much on his body right now, so you can see it. He's trying to control it, but it's coming out in quick. Okay. So what else do you feel, sir?
Wow.
Why do you say wow? What is it? What's the feeling people want to know? Help educate my audience.
Incredible.
Anything else?
It's just wow.
Okay. Good. Okay. How's that?
Wow. Like my shoulders feel lighter. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna stop that shit right now. Stop twisting your shoulders.
Okay.
The more you twist and turn, the more you're gonna undo my work.
Okay.
So you gotta let my work settle in, okay?
Okay.
Good. So when you get up in a second, you're not gonna twist or turn. Again, don't undo my work.
Okay.
Try to let my stuff settle in, okay?
Yes.
This is his first impression. Check out that scar on the side of his head from his surgery.
Just what you feel off the bat.
I feel clear. Like I just feel like my vision just improved.
Like HD, right?
Yeah, like it just feels clear. It truly does. Like, what should I say? It does. Wow.
And tell us about your focus. Don't you feel like you have a little difference there?
Yeah, I feel like I could just things look better. Things look way better, and I can actually see your eye color good.
How romantic is it to see your girlfriend's eye color?
My migraine went away, man. My migraine's not here no more. I feel better.
Watch Joshua do his recalibration walk. The most cool part about this is when chiropractic works right, it actually helps you think better. It makes you clearer.
More clear. I feel more like everything's like HD the way you said it.
Cool, man. Go ahead and bend over, touch toes, please, best you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, what? Oh,
Less pressure on my back.
Okay, what is that number now? What do you think?
I'd probably say it's at a 6.
Gotcha. Okay, go back like this. That was a 9, I think you said it needed to go.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Way looser. The stiffness gone away. I'd say it's about a 6 as well.
Gotcha. So we've taken 40% of your pain back, or 35% of your pain down in what, 2 minutes? That's pretty cool,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the floor, please. Okay, look at the ceiling. And these were 4 and 5 or whatever. Okay.
Okay, yeah, the looking up definitely increased better.
Yeah. No, stop.
Just know self-adjusting is bad.
Back you guys become in self-adjust to in front of me. Squat. What did you pain? How much pain in your back?
Maybe about an 8, 9.
What about your knees? What about your knees?
I feel it right here. Pressure, maybe about a 6, 7.
6.
Yeah, no pain. Not too much pain. I don't feel it. Before I felt like more, it was harder. Yeah. Feels good.
Think you could be a better athlete now?
Yeah, of course.
Think you can run more?
Oh yeah.
You can jump higher without pain?
Oh yeah.
Good. So we're going to talk to you about more about keeping this in place. Again, you're going to get better as you move. I told you to do the laps around the building. Those are going to help you.
Okay.
Don't look at the ground. Look straight ahead. Don't talk on your cell phone. Stop self-adjusting. Stop fidgeting. That's going to be your downfall.
Okay.
So you got to learn how to do that right away, okay? I'm going to give you the tools to get better, but if you screw it up, that's on you. So stop.
Okay.
Okay? Good. Anything else you want to add?
Man, you've been great, man.
Yeah, thank you for the video.
I love this video. Joshua in pain for a year with no resolution. We've given him his dream back. I can't wait to see what he does with it. If you want to see more people with a ton of back pain get better on camera, check out those videos. Catch you guys next time.